Hello Kickstarter backers, Dr. Newhouser here showing you how to learn about home and industrial automation. This project will provide you with two things you need: the learning kit that you use with Raspberry Pi and a step-by-step tutorial that shows you how to use each input and output in real-life situations, even if you have never written a program before. First, you have a push button and 4 onboard LEDs. Next, you have 4 inputs to detect contact closures and 2 high current relays. For analog applications, you have both a 0 to 10 volt input and output, and also a 4 to 20 milliamp current loop input and output. An RS-485 transceiver lets you connect to other remote devices. And just for fun, we have thrown in a proportional controller for a small motor. Okay, you have the card, but how are you going to write your control program? Easy. You can use Node-RED, a free graphical programming language for the Internet of Things. With Node-RED, you can build sophisticated applications without writing a single line of code. Here is a quick Node-RED flow that will play Hello World when you push the button, like this.
Hello World.
We will provide you with a full tutorial on Node-RED, showing you how to use every interface on the I/O Learning Kit in practical applications. Start dreaming now about home and industrial automation applications and join our campaign today.